There is a huge shortage of specialists to meet the needs of the population. The vast time and distance for patients to access these specialists results in delayed care and missed treatment windows. InTouch Health is focused on connecting the physician and the patient without interruptions and maintaining the sacred connection between them. When someone's life is on the line, it has to work every time, connecting the right physician to the right patient with high-quality video and audio while meeting HIPAA and high-trust data security requirements. Anyone who's used to video conferencing for a business meeting or to say hello to a loved one knows how frustrating it can be when the connection drops or the audio is choppy. Despite this, some health systems try to make a video conferencing platform work for telehealth, which is like using a pickup truck to transport a patient to the ER, something it really wasn't designed to do. It's often unreliable, unsecure, and delivers poor audio and video quality, resulting in an unacceptable clinical experience that causes low physician satisfaction and adoption and potentially puts patient safety at risk. That's why telehealth needs to be much more than just video conferencing. With InTouch Health, you get secure, reliable, and scalable solutions, helping your organization achieve higher quality, greater access, and lower cost. Sometimes, a health system aims to build their own telemedicine program within their own network. But what happens when the goal becomes scaling to other care locations outside the defined network boundaries? Secure firewall management for a single location is difficult enough, and trying to expand to multiple non-affiliated sites can be overwhelming. Firewalls deny access to unaffiliated physicians, preventing health systems from scaling their programs. Some health systems use virtual private networks, or VPNs, to communicate through these firewalls, resulting in a complex maze of high-cost, high-maintenance connections competing with limited bandwidth that cannot pass large sums of data quickly, seamlessly, or reliably. This approach forces physicians to grapple with the complexity of working across numerous hospital networks, requiring them to keep track of multiple logins to access different telehealth sites. IT is then forced to ensure seamless interoperability of network connections. Why not leverage a model of shared responsibility with a trusted telehealth service provider? Consider this. To stand up an EICU outside the secure network, some health systems would install a leased line if there was not a DMARC nearby to ensure a solid and reliable connection. While that works, this approach is not affordable or scalable when connecting to 5, 10, and even more locations. How can this be done without relying on a myriad of VPN or lease line point-to-point connections? That's where we come in. Our telehealth network connects a physician within the health system's firewall to the secure InTouch Health Cloud through our software-enabled devices, allowing the physician to connect to any location, regardless of affiliation or disparate security systems and firewalls. This flexibility empowers health systems to expand their telehealth programs without worrying about VPNs and leased lines. Consequently, a credentialed physician with approved access can connect to any patient anywhere along the patient journey, whether in the ambulance, ER, ICU, SNF, urgent care, or the home, all with a single username and password. Physicians also need immediate access to data and tools such as EHRs, PACS, clinical notation, and more. InTouch Health's suite of software solutions enables data flow between unaffiliated health system EHRs to populate a virtual patient record that can be appended to disparate EHR systems. With all the data at their fingertips, EHR interoperability becomes a non-issue, putting both the physician and the health system in full control of the telehealth consult. One seamless user experience scales instantly to thousands of connections across the globe. That's all it takes to put the power of the world's most secure, reliable, and scalable telehealth network in the hands of your physicians and IT professionals. When only clinical excellence will do, choose InTouch Health as your telehealth partner. See what the world's leading telehealth provider can do for you.